Hello everyone, welcome back to the nighttime survival, and yes, we finally figured out what to call it, and it, as you can tell, even though we have wool, we're gonna have no beds. Yeah, we kind of finally decided, like after the first 2 episodes, that we weren't gonna do any beds. So yeah, I'm not too happy about it, but it's actually quite beneficiary for.
Do you still have your stone sword?
No, I believe I move. Ow! It's not in here. Oh, there it is. All my stuff. Okay, so yeah, off episode, and when everything was all the iron was cooked up, my dear friend made me a iron set of armor.
Ooh, you look nice.
Why, thank you.
Oh, and you should know something before you go anywhere. Did you know axes actually are very, they're strong against armored creatures because they break the armor way quicker than a sword. The sword just does a lot more damage.
Gimme.
So if you find any mobs with armor on it, that'll be very helpful. Plus, it's good for chopping down trees.
Yeah, and very quick too. We'll be needing trees.
I know.
And it's dead. Why, hello. Die. That was easy.
Don't get too confident. Zombies can be actually quite annoying.
No, it wasn't a normal zombie. It was a villager zombie.
I know. But you should know, villager zombies aren't quite, all zombies can be quite annoying. Dang, that's so loud.
No kidding. Horsey! Yay! He loves me. I wish the rain will stop.
Yeah, me too. But we don't have any cheats on, so we can't do that.
We do, but I'm not going to use them.
What are you doing, honey the horsey?
I'm not. A dumb skeleton is. Ow.
Are you dying to a skeleton?
No, I have the armor on. I'm lost anyhow. I'm just going backwards.
Yeah, it's quite annoying.
Actually, 2 skeletons.
Dang. I'm trying to find more iron.
Besides, there's nothing of any value for zombies anyway, except for the possibility of them dropping a carrot or a yeah. So how much wood should I chop down?
Actually, I don't really think you should. I don't know, this rain is just annoying the crap out of me.
A baby zombie on top of you.
Did you just one-shot it?
Yeah. crazy, right?
Yeah, iron swords are quite OP, actually.
Yeah,
You can't wait till you have a diamond sword though. Because we don't really need a diamond pickaxe.
Unless,
I really want to get stuff done quickly.
yeah. That's me. Okay. Now I have 4 arrows. Some meat and 5
Ooh,
wood.
iron! Some more iron.
Cool. You know, to be fair, we do need wood for our torches.
I still have torches. I've got 12 on me right now.
I know, but still.
Has it stopped?
Oh, praise the Lord. Nope. We were just too far down.
Well, I'm going to make myself some iron iron axes.
Why?
I'm going to make myself an iron sword and an iron axe. To protect myself and to be able to go outside without getting harmed.
Well, to be truthful, I want our underground home to be more classy.
Well, we're just getting all of the supplies we need.
And that means a good stock supply of coal and wood.
Yeah, I've got 24 coal on me right now.
Nice.
And stone. Because you know the stone bricks? Oh my god. If you get some polished stone, or stone bricks, stone slabs are also quite nice.
Yes. But I fancy polished granite or andesite or diorite myself. Yay.
Stone sword. Actually, iron sword, sorry.
I got 25 birchwood.
Cool.
Yeah, so for just a quick reminder, we're going to be having a new series coming up soon, and it will be starting this Saturday. It's called oh my gosh, CliffSide Haven. And it will be starting this Saturday. So please be looking. I sure hope you guys are looking forward to it. Really? 1 stick? Seriously?
What?
1 stick?
Ooh, more iron. I'm sorry, I made a sword. That cost 1 stick, so don't blame me. Did it stop? You're all the way at the surface, so it must have stopped.
I think it did.
Yay!
Okay, now we have 33 sticks.
Great.
And I still have 27 birch logs.
I'm still trying to... I'm going to be trying... Sorry. I'm going to open the chest. Wait a minute. iron chest plate.
Cool.
I'm going to be starting up my own set of iron.
Well, I'm sorry to say that we are going to have to end this episode for today, and
No!
we'll be back in the next one.
No!
Goodbye!